Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 12th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're starting off on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we really didn't make that turn up yesterday that I was talking about. I mean, to me, it still looks like a possible impulsive up, and then like one, two, three waves down, which could lead to another impulsive up before it actually ends up continuing the downtrend, more like a running or an expanding flat here in the middle. But that doesn't really have to play out like that. I mean, this could just be a ABC crescent, and this possibly could just keep on going down. There's no doubt that this is lower high, lower high. We have no break to the upside yet, so we definitely still want to be bearish the dollar. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. Now, it looks like it's making a five-wave pattern, one, two, three, four, five. So if and only if it goes up and breaks this structure, that's what's going to tell me that it's likely going to make a five-wave structure to the upside, which would be like an A, a B, and a C crescent, which you would have to apply that information to all the dollar pairs themselves. If it doesn't break this structure to the upside, then we need to continue to be bearish the dollar. If this is the end of a pullback on the daily, weekly time frame, then this may just keep on going down, making lower lows and lower highs. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.